What's up, guys? Long time no talk or see or whatever. So I have some really good news. I probably already gave it away. I got black carpet and the black door cards for the IS. Finally. It's only been several months since I started this whole project. As you can see, the front bumper is now wrapped. Still waiting to find a good stock hood and then source out some wrap for that. But that is all to the side for now, because we finally have the carpet and I am so excited. The carpet is, for the most part, pretty mint. I just got done kind of, touching it up, vacuuming it real quick. It is from a 2003 or 2002, I can't remember. So it does have a little bit of, wear and tear, but the floor isn't worn through, which is a huge deal with these things, other than the fact that it's the black interior. The door cards are very close to mint. There's some little issues there. For the most part, the other ones are pretty good. I think there's a little bit of fading. It's pretty old, but I can't complain. This is a score of a lifetime, at least for this car. So I'm gonna go ahead, pull the seats out, pull the seat belts out, and go ahead and install that. As you guys probably already know from a video in the past, we tried to dye the tan stock carpets and it didn't work at all. So we ended up throwing it away. We kind of ruined that carpet. Well, that was a success. It's a little bit of persuading. It doesn't like to take its shape again so easily. I think it's gonna look pretty good once I get the aftermarket seats in. I'm putting the Brahms in there. This new steering wheel is in. It's pretty clean. And then the black door cards will be in. I might just go ahead and toss those in now. So we have all of the door cards in. We have the carpet in, and it is looking 100 times better. I can't find any good OEM stock black rear seats. So either I'm gonna do rear seat delete or just let those eat. I don't know. A really big difference is gonna be those seats. The seats need to go, dude. Yeah, I put this steering wheel in. I didn't do a quick release. So this hub, the NRG hub, actually came with the car when I got it, but it's a shorty hub, so I had to delete cruise control and the auto signal off, which is really, it's kind of annoying. Steering wheel definitely needed to be replaced, and this is awesome. I really like this one. I don't know how I'm gonna do this video. I don't know if I'm going to leave it like a 3-minute video, just upload it so you have some kind of progress, or if I'm gonna hold it until I get the planted seat brackets in, so whenever I put the Brahms in, that'll kind of complete the interior for now. Oh yeah, I installed this. Now I just need to relocate the horns so it doesn't look so weird in there, and I think it'll look pretty clean. Damn, I look bad. I look tired. I am tired. Anyway, so I finally got the planted brackets in for the Brahms seat. I'll show you those now, and then I'm waiting for Josh to wake up. It's still kind of early. Finally, it's been months that I've been waiting for this, and the day is finally here. So there's the Brahms that you already know about. They're in the WRX. Now, I just gotta wait for Josh. So we're out here in the garage. By we, I mean me. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I carried these down the stairs. It's not that they're heavy, I'm just out of shape. Anyway, yes, these are going in here and they're gonna look fucking awesome. They're gonna feel awesome. I'm pretty sure you've already seen these front seats, but I'm gonna show you anyway. They look terrible. They are terrible. There's nothing anyone can say to change my mind. And I guarantee you no one's gonna buy them, ever. So I'm probably just gonna take them to the dump. As you know, I said it once, I'll say it again, I'll say it a million times. This is not a how-to channel. Honestly, this is probably a how not to channel. I am starving. I haven't even done anything, I just woke up. You can watch me struggle. It's gonna be great. These little clippies on the bottom. No matter how many times I pull these, I can never remember how to pull them. Gargantuan, ugly, disgusting pieces of shit. This is a little more complicated than I thought. So when you're looking at the seatbelt, this is what plugs into, where is he? Right here, this guy, okay? And then down here, right there, is what this bottom plugs into, okay? Well, I am pretty sure that it gets its power from here, its power and ground from here, and that is connected to this big harness, right? This harness is... This I can't get away from because this is where I'm getting my power from. Annoying, I hate these seats so much. Before you say shit, this seat was already toasted. No one's gonna buy it. Plus it's tan, it's incredibly stained and stuff. So don't worry about it, okay? All right, now that we got that out of the way, this is your sensor. It's literally embedded and caked in all of this foam. Dude, do you know how many farts are in there? Kind of have to dig it out, similar to how the Subaru was, and then your cord runs back through here. But there's the wire. So I just got to pull this through. Okay, so I got the sensor isolated. I got the wire harness isolated. So I'm gonna go ahead and start routing and zip tying under here, and then I can install the seat and see if it actually works out or not. As far as this, I'm probably gonna literally cut it up, stuff it in the back of this car, and take it to the dump. So what I've done is I've pulled the fabric, little clippy boys, the hangers, that just kind of secured to this bar. But I've lifted this up, exposing the foam. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slide between the foam and the fucking actual like fabric on the top. And I'm gonna go ahead and slide that in hopes that it should start to like, you know, detect if someone's sitting in here or not. So as you can see, I stuffed it in there between the cloth and the foam. And then I routed the rest back through here. I probably could and should push it more through so more of this is in there, but honestly, I'm not going to because I don't want to risk fucking up these seams. This is what we're looking at. I've sunk some time into this now, and right now I need to go ahead, loop this back down, secure it to this rod with those clips things, and then I went ahead, attached the seat belt, ran the cable, ran the cords. So this is obviously to the seat sensor that detects whoever's sitting in it. And then it connects to your power harness, which this is what's gonna be connecting to the car side. And the rest of this is literally, it's like motor, I'm not sure what plugs go to what, but I know there's motor, there's 3 different motors. And then this is your switches themselves. And then I believe this was the airbag and the bolstering of the OEM seat. So we don't have a need for any of those anymore. However, I don't feel like simplifying this. So I went ahead and just secured it to the bottom of the car, and still leaves the option on the table to go back to an OEM seat in the future. Just throw away this one because the new OEM seat would come with the sensor. And then you just go ahead and run these and you're good. So if whoever gets this car wants to finish the black interior and get the black OEM seats, you can do that. Driver's side harness is a little ridiculous. I hope this works. I don't know if it's gonna work. There's basically a control unit under here. Oh, fuck it, I'll just show you. So there's a control unit under there, and it has like 3 or 4 different plugs on it. Then you have like your 50 motors, your fucking airbag, which I left on there. And then obviously your seatbelt, which is on the other side. Once you get all that out, those big ones are for the unit, the control unit, and then I don't even know which one's what, so we're about to find out. And seatbelt will go on here, secure all that onto the bottom, and install it. Yeah, enough said. Yeah, that looks good. All in all, not too bad. It was just the fucking wire harness that sucked giant giraffe.
Monster tard of a wire harness.
So, Yeah. And then next on the chopping block is potentially the rear seat. So we'll see if we can pull that out and maybe delete it. I don't know. We're gonna go for a test drive and see if we die.
Yay.
I love how that looks now.
Were you in my dreams? Nah, nah. You played them like movie. You bad and you bougie like the devil wears Prada.